Man, they go back there. Maybe I do need a hoe.
I'll run up the house and get one.
Am I in your way? Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Look at this. We got a plug tube from Beaver. I just stuck my hand in there and opened it up a little bit. And it is roaring now. Somewhere the beaver are crossing over and going down here to this side. So I'm gonna put in a few caster mount sets right here, see what we can get. I'm gonna bust that tube out, make my set down a little lower, see what we can catch. Man, there's a lot of fish swimming right there. But somewhere in here there's some beaver completely packing that pipe up. And I know how a lot of you guys like to see unclogging the pipes, so we'll see how it turns out. Stay tuned, guys. There she goes. I'm gonna compensate for where the water level is gonna be.
Usually, about 4 inches below the top of the tube.
Just somewhere in there?
Yeah, usually.
Really? Boy, I would think it would just roar out of there. There goes all your duckweed into your other pond. I think that's probably... We'll try right here and see what happens. Yeah. Oh, in here? Yeah. It's probably pretty deep. Like my koi pond's only 4.5 foot deep and the fish survive in there. Yep. So it's crazy how they can live in that stuff. So that's pretty deep. Shouldn't be very hard to drown them. I know you'll be sad if a couple raccoons die, won't you?
And I don't know what the fuck she is, but she's killed 2 raccoons right now.
Oh, really?
And she ain't had a speck of blood on her.
Nice. Well, hopefully she don't come down here.
No, there ain't nothing coming down here.
How far is your silo from here? Or where you put your...
My side strip?
Yeah, is it right up the road there? Is it? Well, maybe I'll get a few. I got a ledge right here.
Yeah.
I'm kind of hoping that the trap's still underwater when it finally gets down to where it's supposed to be. I'll find out tomorrow. Set it right there. And I'm pretty sure they're already climbing over, but this is my caster. Yeah. They'll see that from a mile away. I got a little bit of homemade caster I'll put on it. They'll come in and smell that. We already know they're coming right here. It's probably just one that's been kicked out and it's trying to find his own place. Might put one down that way.
We'll walk down and see if there's any activity where that hole's at.
Well, got a spot where they're climbing over right here. That is where a beaver's crossing. I'll put a trap there. Oh, yep, that's definitely, they tunneled through there. You put that there? Or the,
yeah, we knocked it over there.
Yeah.
They chewed on it.
Yeah, I see that.
I didn't want to kill him, get on the nest.
There's one that caved in. It goes, oh. Oh, baby. That's probably muskrat. I might bring a muskrat trap for that one, if you don't care.
I don't care.
I bet there's probably a muskrat nest. Big hole going through right there.
No, I copper sulfate, and then you're supposed to put it on.
Oh, here it is.
I kind of forgot about it.
That,
Spawning time got here, and I didn't want to put it around the edges and screw up their nesting, so I never got it.
here's a beaver run right here that caved in. This is all loose right here. That fell off. They got a tunnel right there. Damn things. They got, what people don't understand is they're like, oh, well, they ain't hurt nothing. Well, they could make their hole back there
I hope they don't hurt something.
where they can't knock this out. That'd dry up in no time. Get a whiff of that yet? All the beaver, I caught 80 something beavers during the season and drowned them all up. The castor part of them. Hard to believe we eat vanilla ice cream. That's what we're eating. It's in there. Vanilla ice cream.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, you can see, if you were down here, you can see all their claw marks where they've dug in to climb up. There's a root right here.
Yeah.
They're digging their toes in on that root and helping them. They can climb some steep stuff, but you see all the...
Yeah.
There's like an extra spot right there where he's climbing up. I'm gonna block it with your tree. Shoo, it's getting warm now.
Yeah, it is.
All right, well, hopefully we got something tomorrow. What's up? Welcome back, guys. So you see, it was just at the pond. The beavers are plugging that tube up like about every few weeks or so. So I found a couple places they're climbing out and then set traps there, and then I also put a couple casters in. So we'll see what we get. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's just one lone beaver probably in there, maybe a pair, but there's not a whole lot of sign. Just they're plugging the tube, and that's all it takes sometimes to get people in there. Here's what I'm doing right now. Just changed out tires on the new boat, and planning on going and setting some lines this weekend on the river, and we're gonna see how this mud motor does on the river. We're gonna give her a little test out, and then pretty much I'm gonna camp, cook what I catch, kind of videos. So let me know what you think about that. I know this is probably going to be a short video, but just wanted to let you guys know that I was out and about trapping, trying to get a groundhog out from under a deck. What a pain in the butt that is. There's the boat. Put new tires on both sides. Let me know how fast you think this mud motor is going to go. 10 miles an hour, 15 miles an hour. 15 will get me going pretty good. I'll be happy with that. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. YouTube is age restricting my videos now. If you can't see this, then I guess you didn't see it. So I don't know what's gonna happen. They're age restricting a video every couple days, so it might be rough here pretty soon. So hit me with a subscribe. It'd help me out a lot. Appreciate it.